everyone, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I am Pallavi. Come with me on Food on Budget where I'm going to show you recipes जो होंगे gourmet, fancy but under budget. तो आज जो रेसिपी की मैं बात कर रही हूँ वो है बर्गर. When I say burger, I mean juicy meat, delicious sauce, cheese and caramelized onions enclosed in a nice buttery bun. बट यही बर्गर जब आप एक अच्छी से रेस्टोरेंट में खाते हो तो करीबन 300 से 400 रुपये का सिर्फ एक बर्गर आता है. सो व्हाट इफ आई टेल यू वी मेक द सेम बर्गर इन हाफ द प्राइस और इवन लेस. So let's get started. When I say gourmet burger, इसका मतलब है इसमें कई सारे एलिमेंट्स होते हैं which complement each other. तो आज देखते हैं हमें क्या क्या एलिमेंट्स बनाना है. तो पहले बनाते हैं caramelized onion which is absolutely divine. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is switch the gas on and in the pan I'm just going to add some oil. Caramelized onions are pretty straightforward. It's just sweet cooked onions. For that I have taken onion जिसे मैंने thinly slice कर लिया है. तेल गरम होते ही हम इसमें डाल देंगे. So let's add the onions. Nice and sizzling. Mix this well. We're just going to cook this till it turns translucent. So there goes the onion. So caramelized onions जो है इसका मतलब होता है caramel का मतलब होता है जब चीनी मेल्ट होता है caramelize होता है. उसी तरह हम प्याज को भी caramelize करेंगे. पहले इसे नेचुरली करेंगे जब तक कि ये अच्छा सा गोल्डन ब्राउन नहीं हो जाता. फिर हम इसमें डालेंगे चीनी. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर कुकिंग ऑन हाई हीट ensure that you keep stirring it after a few seconds so that the onions don't burn, but it's good to leave them like this for a few seconds till they become nice and golden. So as you can see the onions have turned nice and golden brown. To this let's add some salt. हम नमक डालेंगे एकदम थोड़ा सा, सिर्फ थोड़ा सा फ्लेवर को एनहांस करने के लिए. To this let's add some sugar. Regular sugar है ये. And as the sugar caramelizes it turns nice and golden brown. So it will impart the same color to the onions as well. And you can also see that जितना onion हमने डाला था उससे बहुत कम बचा हुआ है पैन में. But that's okay. This is going to be enough for our burgers. So while the onions are caramelizing, let's start making the creamy sauce. For that we need a very simple sauce. First we add the mayonnaise, mustard paste, tomato ketchup, a little bit of red chilli sauce, red chilli flakes, dried mixed herbs. Now let's just mix this well. So the sauce is looking nice and creamy. This is done. Now let's check on the caramelized onions. So the caramelized onions are looking nice and almost ready. Now this is good on its own, but I like to add a dash of soya sauce. Don't ask me why, but it just tastes amazing. It adds a nice umami flavor. So there goes the soya sauce. Now mix this well. Nice and fragrant. Now all we do is switch the gas off. Now I'm just going to transfer it in a plate because it's easier for it to cool. Now I'm just going to spread it so that they don't become a lump. Now to make the chicken patty, we'll take another pan and इसमें डाल देंगे थोड़ा सा ऑयल. थोड़ा सा ऑयल डालेंगे और थोड़ा सा बटर. आप बटर को स्किप कर सकते हैं, अगर आप चाहते हैं तो सिर्फ ऑयल में भी बना सकते हैं. Now there goes the garlic. एंड इसमें डाल देंगे थोड़ी सी ग्रीन चिली. इसे अब थोड़ा सा स्टर करके पका लेंगे जब तक कि जो गार्लिक है वो थोड़ा सा फ्रेग्रेंट नहीं हो जाता, यानी कि करीब 1 मिनट तक. नेक्स्ट वी ऐड दी अनियंस. इसे भी पका लेंगे जब तक कि ये थोड़ा सा गुलाबी नहीं हो जाता, यानी कि ट्रांसलूसेंट. अब इसी में हम डाल देंगे थोड़ा सा नमक स्वाद अनुसार, प्याज के लिए भी और चिकन के मिक्सचर के लिए भी. और डाल देंगे थोड़ी सी चीनी. चीनी से बहुत ही अच्छा फ्लेवर आता है. इसे मिक्स कर लेंगे. दिस इज़ ऑलमोस्ट रेडी. नाउ आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू स्विच द गैस ऑफ. Now I'm just going to let this cool. I'm just going to keep it on the side and now let's start making the patty. For that I have taken some chicken mince. To this I'm going to add a few spices. So the patty is very simple. Chicken mince, to that I'm going to add red chilli flakes as per your taste. Then there goes some mixed herbs. And I'm going to add a pinch of red chilli powder or as per your choice. Now we'll add the onion mixture which has cooled now. So हमने सब कुछ ऑलमोस्ट डाल दिया है. नेक्स्ट हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा ब्रेड क्रम्स. Now I'm just going to mix this well. Now just a few more things. I'm going to add some coriander, that's chopped dhania. And to that I'm just going to add 1 egg. Now we just mix this really well. So the burger mixture is looking great. It's nice and well combined. It's looking fresh and it smells really nice. But पैटी बनाने से पहले जो हमने बर्गर बन लिया है उसके साइज़ के हिसाब से पैटी बनाएंगे. तो इससे या तो आप इसका छोटा बना सकते हैं या बड़ा बना सकते हैं या परफेक्टली इसके साइज़ का बना सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द बर्गर बन दैट आई एम यूजिंग. सो अभी बर्गर पैटी बनाने के लिए पहले हाथ को थोड़ा सा ऑयल से ग्रीस कर लेंगे. I'm just going to take a portion of the mixture and spread it like this. We are basically making a cavity in the center. और इसके बीचों बीच हम डालेंगे ये चीज़. ये मैंने प्रोसेस्ड चीज़ लिया है. This burger is going to be nice and cheesy. I want when you bite into the burger the cheese has to ooze out. So after putting that in, I'm just going to cover it with another portion of the mixture. Sides को इसके सील कर दीजिए अच्छे से. अच्छी तरह से सील कर लेना है. And now it's looking good. Just that अभी इसे थोड़ा सा शेप दे देंगे अच्छा सा. This size should be enough for the burger buns that we are using today. बस इतना ध्यान रखिए कि जो चीज़ है वो अच्छी तरह से कवर हो जाए वरना वो जल जाएगा. There you have it. इसे अभी पका लेते हैं. Now let's cut the burger buns. I'm taking these nice big burger buns. You can use any burger bun of your choice. ये बहुत ही आसानी से मिल जाता है. Now to cook the patty, I'm just going to heat a shallow pan. I'm just going to add some oil. So we're going to cook the patty on high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now let's just flip this. Looking nice. Because we are using chicken mince, the patties are not going to take much time to cook. Now I'm just going to place the cheese slice. This is to make it more cheesy. Now I'm just going to cover it and cook it till the cheese melts. It's nice and sizzling. Let's check on the patties. Oh yes, the cheese has melted. The patty is looking done. I'm just going to place this on a plate because we need to toast the buns. Now the juices that you see, we're just going to toast the buns in that. Only for a few seconds on one side. So as you can see, the buns have soaked up all the juices that were there in the pan. Now this is looking done. Nice and toasty. So now we are ready with the patty, caramelized onion and sauce. Now let's quickly assemble the burger. तो सबसे पहले हम इसमें डाल देंगे सॉस और उसे अच्छी तरह से फैला लेंगे. अब इसके ऊपर लगा देंगे लेट्स के पत्ते. Now let's place the patty, the cheesy chicken patty. Let's place some tomato slices. Next goes the caramelized onion that we made. This is looking good already. Now the final thing we have to do is apply some of the sauce to the bun. So there goes the bun on top. The burger is looking good and now it's ready. Now I'm just going to secure the burger with a toothpick or a satay stick. So as you can see, the burger is looking nice and gourmet. There you have it. Now it's ready to be served. So like they say, the proof lies in the pudding. Similarly, the cheese lies in the burger. Let's cut and see. It's nice and juicy. The juices are oozing out from the side. Oh yes, it's looking really good. Let's check. So there you have it, an easy yet gourmet chicken burger with cheesy and juicy chicken patty, amazing sauce and buttered buns. So ये पूरे रेसिपी से मैंने बनाया total 5 burgers, which means it is enough for a family of 4 or even more. ये जो रेसिपी मैंने बनाया था इसका total cost है this much. Crazy, right? So next time जब भी gourmet style burger खाने का मन करे तो ज़रूर घर पे बनाना because it's easy, it's cheaper and it feeds more people. So if you like the recipe, then do subscribe to our channel because you're going to get a lot of new recipes and trust me, it's going to be amazing. So see you very soon with more recipes. Until then, take care of yourself and do make budget friendly recipes because you know it's worth it.